second episode about meme coins on stupid Bitcoin is gonna be released on Sunday 24th. Make sure you subscribe to watch the whole episode.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Luna Classic update today. It's been a while we haven't talked about Luna Classic, and if you are new to the channel, well, Sunday I'm going to bring in second episode of Stupid Bitcoin. And Stupid Bitcoin is a podcast that is designed for you to learn a lot about crypto. So I'm gonna be introducing you to the world of meme coins, and so first of all, we're going to talk about the characters, famous characters in the meme coin crypto world, and then it's going to set the tone for me to go on and talk about how to trade meme coin, how to be profitable in meme coin, how to be careful of rug pullings in crypto, what is Solana meme coins, how to use decentralized exchanges, how to go on DeFi, how to use Binance tip and tricks. There are so many things you're going to learn from Stupid Bitcoin, so you make sure you're following me, guys. Now the thing is that Luna Classic is breaking. It has actually broke this curse that it has been failing to break above. Just a little bit of announcement. I do have a good news and a bad news. I will start off with the bad news. From January 2025, I'll be charging 20 USDT for the private. If you don't know what the private is, check the top right of the video to know what I do in the private. The entry for December will be closed on 31 November. Now you have to message me, and to do that, just head down to the description of the video, click on the Discord, and click on announcement, click my name, and message me. If for some reason the Discord is not working, just comment Discord and I'll generate a new link just for you. Thank you. Let's get back into the video. And the thing is, here it is. You have one rounded bottom right over there, and you have one nice good little bit of a break here. And if I go on and zoom in into the details, you may notice that this was a rejection. Few touches went on there, and Luna Classic could not break and go to the upside. On the other hand, we had another wick touch here and a rejection and a move to the downside. And then after that, finally, this time 2 days ago, you made one nice good huge break to the upside. You came down for the retest. Now even better is that you have made almost a successful retest with this green closing yesterday. That's really good. Now on a perfect world, you should be looking at Luna Classic making it all the way up to probably 21,000 level, giving 100% move, right? So you could actually be looking at that one as well. And just be careful, because Bitcoin is a little bit over pumped right now, and you could actually fail to do so. So that's one thing I want to warn you about. On the 15 minutes time frame, I think the best entry can actually happen when you see Luna Classic probably breaking above this little bit of a pattern that it's struggling to break. Comes for the retest, your entry can actually be there, stop loss can be somewhere down here, and you could actually start to ride the coin to 21,000 probably. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one, Lafis.